Where are highest number of protons found in a chloroplast? We know that in chloroplast, the proton gradient formation plays a crucial role in the process of photosynthesis, particularly during light reaction. That is, during the light-dependent reaction of photosynthesis, protons are actively pumped into the lumen of the thylakoids from the stroma by the electron transport chain. And this pumping of protons into the thylakoid lumen results in the higher concentration of protons inside the thylakoid lumen compared to the stroma, creating a proton gradient, also called a proton motive force. And this energy stored in the proton gradient is used by the ATP synthase enzyme to generate ATP as protons flow back to the stroma. So that means the correct answer is option B, lumen of thylakoids. Coming to option A, stroma. The stroma is the fluid-filled space surrounding the thylakoid membrane, and it has a lower concentration of protons compared to the lumen of thylakoid. So option A is incorrect. Option C, intermembrane space. The space lies between the inner and outer membranes of chloroplast, but it is not where the highest proton concentration occurs. So C is incorrect. And D, antenna complex. This refers to the light harvesting complex which captures the light energy and transfers it to the reaction center in photosystem complexes. And it does not directly influence the proton gradient. So this is also incorrect. The answer is option B.